Are you ready to witness the moment America changed forever? Thousands of workers showed up to their jobs one morning, just like any other day. They clocked in, put on their vests, and started their shifts. But something was different. The aisles were quieter, the conveyor belts were moving faster, and slowly, they realized the robots had taken their places overnight. This is not science fiction. This is not a movie. This is happening right now inside Amazon warehouses across the United States. And today, we are going inside to show you exactly how it happened. Amazon started as a small online bookstore in a garage in Seattle. Jeff Bezos had a simple dream: sell books online and deliver them fast. Nobody imagined that 20 years later, this company would become the largest automated workforce in human history. Today, Amazon operates over 1,100 warehouses across the United States. And inside those warehouses, something extraordinary and terrifying is happening. Meet Proteus. This is Amazon's fully autonomous robot. It does not need a human to guide it. It does not take breaks. It does not call in sick. It does not ask for a raise. Proteus moves through the warehouse floor 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It carries shelves weighing hundreds of pounds and delivers them directly to human packers in seconds. What used to take a human worker 15 minutes of walking now takes Proteus 45 seconds. But Proteus is just the beginning. Amazon has over 750,000 robots currently working across its warehouses right now. 750,000 robots. To put that in perspective, that is more robots than the entire population of some American cities. These robots do not just carry shelves, they scan packages, sort items, load trucks, and now even pack boxes without a single human hand touching them. In 2021, Amazon employed 1.6 million people worldwide. By 2024, that number had dropped significantly. Economists at MIT studied Amazon's automation and found that for every robot Amazon introduces into a warehouse, approximately 3.3 human jobs disappear. Not transferred, not moved, disappeared. And Amazon added tens of thousands of robots every single year. Workers who spent years inside these warehouses describe what it feels like. The pressure became inhuman. The robots set the pace, and humans had to keep up. If you fell behind, the system flagged you automatically. No manager needed to fire you. The algorithm did it for you. Many workers reported injuries from trying to match robot speed. Others were simply let go as their roles became fully automated. So what does Amazon say about all of this? Amazon publicly states that robots create jobs, not destroy them. They say automation allows human workers to do safer and more skilled tasks. But here's what the numbers actually show. The facilities with the highest robot density have the lowest human headcount. The correlation is impossible to ignore. And Amazon is not stopping. They recently unveiled Cardinal, a robot arm powered by artificial intelligence that can pick up and sort packages of almost any shape and size. Before Cardinal, this job required skilled human hands because packages come in thousands of different shapes. Now, an AI system handles it with 99% accuracy. Another human job category gone. They also introduced Robin, a robot that works alongside the packing line and removes packages that are incorrectly packed. And Sparrow, an AI-powered system that can identify and handle millions of unique products automatically. Every single one of these machines replaced a task that a human being used to perform for a paycheck. The question that every American worker is now asking is simple: where does this end? If Amazon can automate warehouses, what stops every other company from doing the same? Walmart has already begun. Target has already begun. FedEx and UPS are testing autonomous robots in their sorting facilities right now. The wave has started, and it is not slowing down. But here's the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. This was always the plan. Not because these companies are evil, but because in a capitalist system, if a machine can do your job cheaper and faster, eventually the machine will do your job. Amazon did not create this reality. They just got there first. The workers who lost their jobs are real people. They have families, mortgages, and children in school. For them, this is not a technology story. It's a survival story. And as automation spreads from warehouses to factories to offices to hospitals, more and more Americans will face the same moment those Amazon workers faced, the morning they showed up and the robots had already taken over. This is the world we're living in right now, and the only question left is, are you prepared for what comes next? If this video opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button because we're just getting started. Next week, we are going inside another American facility where robots have completely taken over, and the story is even bigger than Amazon. You do not want to miss it.